When I'm broken down and lying in bed, you lie beside me through it all. If I shut you out when you let me in, you wouldn't tell me I was wrong. I wanna be the one to say I love you more. Wanna take you somewhere we could just let go. Baby, 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 we could drive away. I wanna be the one to give you everything. Wanna take all the fears and cares away. Baby, 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 you and I could be free. Want you in my arms, want to take you far. Open your eyes with me and we could be free. When I'm a mess with all my regrets, you give me reason to hold on. Wherever we are, when you're around, you are the words to every song. Yeah, this is where I belong. I wanna be the one to say I love you more. Wanna take you somewhere we could just let go. Baby, 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 we could drive away. I wanna be the one to give you everything. Wanna take all the fears and cares away. Baby, 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 you and I could be free. Want you in my arms, want to take you far. Open your eyes with me and we could be free. Don't let go of me. Close your eyes. What do you see? We could make it anywhere, anywhere, baby. I wanna be the one to say I love you more. Wanna take you somewhere we could just let go. Free, baby, we could drive away. Free, the one to give you everything. Take all the fears and cares away. Baby, 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 you and I could be free. We could be free.
100% first teamer. Absolutely pro. Like, I am a professional. Hi Josie, how you doing? Let me just get hydrated first. That's important. The professional, indeed. I am the only one. I see no god up here. other than me. I think that's good audio volume. Anyways, let's get this Trackmania started. Controller plugged in. I sound superb. Oh, thank you. Was that too much? Yeah, it might be. I need main game where the game capture is Trackmania. Does that work? There we go. Cool beans. Oh yeah, by the way, would you believe me if I said that this was just like my headset microphone? Well, it is. Well, it's my headset microphone with a compressor, limiter, and noise suppression on it, but that's it. Like, the audio quality of this headset is just insane. It is like by far the best that I've ever heard. It's the Corsair HS80. This one, you're probably not in a buying thing. I don't know. Do you have it in breads? I don't think so. It's just this one. Yeah, it's a really good headset. It's not cheap, but I mean, I bought this one especially because it has great audio quality. Like from what I hear, it is wireless and the microphone is also really good. So I could both do good work calls with it, and I could also do streaming with it, which is cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna. This might need to get turned down a bit more. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the track of the day. I haven't done that one yet, so. Of course, the one minus point with this headset is that it's wireless, so you gotta charge it. And if you don't do it in time, then you have to stream with a cable attached to your head. Jesus, can I get this first turn going? There we go. Alright. Okay, that's a weird transition. Down in here, go to the left. Over to here. Oh. In here. Don't bomb there. That would not be ideal for time. What? What is this engine? Off. Oh, what? There we go. I'll reach out in a moment. Can't concentrate on two things at the same time. How does this ending work? Down there. And hope you bounce in okay? Okay. My headphones are really good too. Sound is incredible for music, especially obviously no mic. Yeah. the Jedi is really good. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about the Jedi. It would probably be the one that I would buy if I didn't have like a good microphone on my headset. Whoa, croissants all around apparently. Yep. Well, now not anymore. Alright, this time I'm gonna try to do this thing in one go without crashing. And I got distracted by chat. God damn it. So far so good. Okay, that's a good start. Ah, boy. Are you doing that? The stream is over. Wow. I mean, at least in here I can time X out, so... Something you don't have, Josie. Well, can. More like could. Do I have enough speed for this? Nope. Okay. This time I'll do it in one go. Just trust me. Know roughly how to do this part. I said roughly. Okay. Turn early and then go uphill. Okay, this is the one. I promise. This is the one. Okay. And chat is zooming, and I can't focus on two things at once. I believe I'm smart enough. I'm fast enough for this, which we are. Okay. Oh, that's a silver. We're not too far off from gold. You said you should be pushing the thing. I like my brain. I like that my brain automatically went for she meant that you should be sad instead of she thinks I'm sad. I mean, that would be a Josie move. Wait, next, do I get hugs then? I mean, what? I mean, I always give people when I'm wearing underwear. Thing is, I'm usually also wearing things on top of that, so... You do you. Close enough for this? Barely. Okay, okay. That's good. This could be good. Is this fast enough? Ah, close. Close, close, close. You denied my funneling before. Yeah, fair point. Wait, did I actually deny it? can't remember if I actually did. I'm already quite far ahead of my PB. Never mind. I should sleep well. If you're saying that, you probably should. Wait, next, you have to get up at 4:30? What the fuck are you still doing awake? Go sleep, now. Jesus. Max, go to bed. Do it. Do it now. Stop watching my stream and go do the sleep. I sim for Josie. I'm awake. Okay, you know, understandable. But still, you should go to sleep now. Because sleep is an important thing. And I'm definitely the best person to give advice on that. I'm a professional sleeper. I just don't do it enough. I don't know if that still qualifies me as a professional. Hey, that's gold. Cool. Yeah, that's the Trackmania part done. A professional dumbass. Lame. Actually, I kind of want to try to get more auto times on these. No, I'll go do this. All right. Let's go. That is not a good start. Roof tile just fell from our house right in front of my what the fuck? That what? Holy shit. I hope nothing like, well, apart from that one roof tile, but I hope nothing else broke. That is that's worrying. Even the roof tile is not broken. What? How can it fall from like a house, like the roof of a house, and not break? Like that's some voodoo shit. I would not trust that. There's some sort of wizard close by. And it's just like, fuck this tile. Like, how the fuck does that just happen? You know? Just like a roof tile just suddenly saying, fuck it. I've had enough. Which, to be honest, relatable. But yes. Zizingo must have been through the roof. Oh, God. That's actually a really good one. Holy shit. Trying to figure out how to be faster than my ghost here. My ghost is way too fast. Come on. Jeez, it's still... How do I go faster? Tell me. Me. Also, show this ghost. Like this. It's in this part that I lose a lot of speed. How do I... You two cuties, have a good night. Have a good night, Nex. See you tomorrow morning. Well, it'll be like midday for you. Ooh, this is fast. Oh shit, this is fast. Okay, okay. Hello. I fucked it up. I didn't. Did I? Everything good? Still good? Still good? Oh. What? How? How was that still slower? What the fuck? What? I was... What? How is this... Look at it. I was... This was fast. And I went zoom. Okay, that was not that good. That was so fast and like I was so fast there. And then oh, did I touch the wall there slightly? Is that it? This game is brutal. Don't have patience for games. I can respect that. No you don't. No you don't. No you don't. What the fuck? Okay, I give up on this map. I officially give up on this map. This map is bullshit. Like what? How? I don't get it. There must be something that I'm not getting that is fucking me over. Yeah, I have the patience for some games. Like some games I literally just play all night long. And others I touch once and I'm like, yeah, nah. I learned the trick on ice though. Trackmania. It's not that. It's like if you wiggle, apparently you go a little bit faster. That is a bad setup. Or yeah, it's slow. It's so far behind, holy shit. Okay, yeah, I'm also done with this map. These maps are so annoying to drive. They came for 10 minutes and then got done. Yeah, I have that with some games. Then others I play for hours. And I'm like, where were you when I was playing this other game? That's not how you want to do that. Jesus. Okay, that's not... I was gonna say let's not fuck it up this round, but that was not what happened. Okay, this feels like a fast start. That turn up there could have been better. Gotta figure out how to improve it. Can I try this choke it? I'm going to sleep because being social is tired. Understandable. Have a good night, Josie. Talk to you later. Whee. Big hugs to you too, Josie. Good night. Still slower. Come on. Oh, that's not how you want to do that. I do believe there's a little speed slide you gotta do. Like that. Oh, that was so close to being good. That was so close. Alright, let's see. That's slow. Okay, okay. Bonk. That was a big bonk. That doesn't know it good. Okay, let's see. Oh, that was exactly equal. Okay, hello. I believe this is sort of good. Ah, I jinxed it. Oh no. Oh, that hurts. Oh boy. There's literally one turn left to go. Nope, 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 nope. Was close though. Okay. Can I get... Nope. I tried. Okay, this is pretty fast. I want to practice this turn a little bit. That's not how you do that. And go high here and then down low. And then like that. Okay. Hey, Zed! Hi, how you doing? Damn. It's been a while. Well, been a while since I've talked to you on stream though. Okay, so far so good. Can we have a good slide in here? Ooh, that was really good. Okay, 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 okay. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Yes, cats, hello. Is this... God! Oh! No, that was... Oh, that was it. That was it. Hmm. Damn it. Ah. Jesus. So yeah, hi Zed. Hi Zed. What's the occasion? Oh no, just I streamed before a bit, like a week ago. Streamed some Spider-Man, but I decided to just continue that on my own because I did want to just play it, but I was not in the mood to stream. So yeah. Funny enough, I was remembering our times at Gamescom all those years ago. Yeah, it was 2018, I think. Was it? Yeah, I think it was 2018. Yeah. It was quite some time ago. Yeah, I was thinking of going this year, but it in the end it just didn't really line up properly with work and stuff. Because of deadlines. Yeah. But yeah, maybe I'll go again sometime in the future. See what life has in store for us. Exactly. Alright. This run is the one though. I can feel it. Just gotta get a good slide. That's not a good slide. Okay. So close though. I just gotta focus and do the right turns. Oh my god. Okay. I got this. I know I do. I've done it before, so you know. I know all the turns. I just gotta get good at the turns. Like here, I'm already ahead of my PB. Okay, now not to screw it up. Okay. Is this the one? Is this the one? It is the one! Yay! That's art time. Fucking finally. Woo. Okay. I'm happy with that. Okay. That's good. Good. Very good. Hello, internet. Are we back? Hello? I think we're all good again. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this stupid internet. Sometimes it works. And I submitted good responsiveness feedback. Boom, it works. Awesome. Yeah, I don't know why, but my internet sometimes does well, and then other times it does not. So yeah, apologies if it drops out again. I believe for like my previous stream, it cut out in the middle, like in the middle of a cutscene in Spider-Man. So I wanted to upload that to YouTube, to my archive channel. The problem is it was as two. Twitch stored it as 2 VODs, so I could not stitch them together and then export that. So I had to manually download both streams. It was like a stream of like 3 hours and half an hour. I think in total the download was like 10 gigabytes almost. And so yeah, the half an hour part was 1.1 gigabytes and the 3 hour part was 8 gigabytes of MP4 1080p footage. Well, 1080p by whatever the horizontal is. And then I had to edit them together, render it. The rendering took like an hour and a half, and I put it running overnight because it was late. And then the next morning I woke up, I looked at my computer and said like, hey, so this one file cannot be found. I was like, what? It's right there. So I did it again. And then I went out with my grandparents. And then when I came home several hours later, it showed the exact same error again. So then I went through the footage and I found like this one tiny bit that was like corrupted footage, and that was causing the error. So I just put like 2 seconds of just black like no footage in there, and that fixed it. So that was so annoying. So anyways, Trackmania, yes, games. But yeah, that was one of the most annoying things. Kind of wish I had recorded the thing locally as well. But the problem is storage space. I do have enough drives, it just I don't have enough space. I also don't want to have to upload that separately to YouTube as well then. So that's why I kind of don't do it. But yeah, it would be really cool if Twitch could just add functionality to just stitch 2 streams together. Because that, surely I'm not the only one that wants to export their streams to YouTube with shitty internet. Also, speaking of shitty internet, our router has like a gigabit cable running through the modem, where the internet comes in from the ISP, and so when I take when I plug in my laptop downstairs straight into the modem, I get like a full, well, the connection is like a gigabit, but of course our internet plan is only like 300 megabit down. So I get like the full 300 megabit down. But then for some reason our router just says, nope, you only get 100 megabit, take it or leave it. And the weird thing of all is, it worked perfectly before. Because I know for sure that I know for sure that we had gigabit connection before. Because I could get the full 300 megabits do the, well, wood speed test. And I did look into the settings panel of the router, like the little web server that it has. And in there I can see indeed that it is saying like, hey, the connection with the incoming internet the port with the incoming internet connection is only 100 megabit. So I'm like, cool. Can I tweak this? And then I finally found a button to like basically put that to force it to gigabit. But for some reason it's like, yeah, nah, you're not gonna have an internet connection now. And I don't know why. And it annoys me. And I just think that our internet here at home is just cursed. Like there's some evil spirit lingering around, just saying like, nope, you get bad internet. Because I even had, from my room upstairs, I even had to switch to Wi-Fi. Because for some reason, after like, what the hell was that about? Because for some reason, after like, I believe 17 years or so that we lived in this house, well, probably 6 years that I've had my PC in that room, the wired internet connection just didn't want to work. I was just like, oh no, I'm not gonna do the internet. So we tested it with a cable tester, and like every single wire internally in the cable showed up as completely fine. I believe we redid the connection, like the female ports. We redid those like 3 times, I think, and it just didn't want to work. It was just like, nope, no internet for you. And it's really fucking annoying. ISP saying everything is fine. Well, the thing is that the internet connection itself is fine. Like for some, I think it's just the cable in the wall itself that was installed like, I believe 17 years ago when we moved into this house. That cable probably just said like, nope, I'm not gonna work anymore. Also, is this PB? It is. Okay, cool. This is with the network tester. Yeah. The network tester didn't do speed though, so it just shows up like for each cable internally. And that said everything was fine. But yeah, we don't have a thing to like actually test the speed. But yeah, now I am on a power line from the basement to the first floor hallway, and from there it is just Wi-Fi. And when the internet connection was working properly, it was I got like around 100 megabit, so that was still decent enough to do most things. Of course, I wouldn't stream on a 100 megabit power line. But for the rest, it was fine. Like casual work stuff, that all worked fine. They cut out sometimes. But yeah, I have noticed upstairs that now that the router is only giving 100 megabit. That I believe it gets max 30-ish megabit down. which will be a problem if I have to move back upstairs. Because right now I'm downstairs because I'm home alone, which is pretty cool. So now I've got myself power lines for now. Yeah, I mean it's a good alternative is that if there's like no other way. But I've grown to hate them. I'm also starting to suspect that the person who had to install the internet cables just did a poor job of it. But hey, at least we're getting an office soon, so I don't have to work from home on this internet anymore. And the office has some ridiculous network. Like, I believe we could get up to 2.5 gigabit at the office. Wi-Fi, by the way. 2.5 gigabit Wi-Fi. I'm not entirely sure if the ISP has it, but given that it will be like the internet thingy will probably be like a business plan, it probably should have support for the gigabit. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure if our ISP supports like more than 1 gigabit yet. Maybe if we ask nicely and give them lots of money probably as well. Because it's still an ISP. Also, I'm getting sort of close with these this thing. Download the internet during your lunch break. Exactly. Best part of all is that it will be like downstairs of the boss's new home. So my boss will have that full internet as well. Which is pretty nuts. So this was PB speed. Lots of time speed. Maybe I can save it. Cool. This is fast. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. This is slow though. Okay. Scratch that. Gonna shoot the bird. Amazing to have you on stream for a bit. Yeah, it's amazing to have you in chat again, Zed. It was lovely seeing you. And good night. Enjoy your well-deserved sleep. I'll see you next time. Zed, what? Zed, hold on. Zed. Wait. Did you sub? Did that? Time's up. Why is it not showing up? Thanks for the sub. Holy shit! It's not showing up. I don't know why. But thanks for the prime sub. Holy shit! Thank you. Wow. That's a nice parting gift. I'm gonna let Amazon take my money. Yeah. Good night, Zed. Have a lovely sleeps and stuff. Yeah. Talk to you later. Alright. Let's see if I can get that auto time now. That would be really cool. It'll probably be the first time I've gotten an auto time on black. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is not supposed to be it. Could have been better. Could have been much better. Jesus. Alright. I'm just doing a very tiny steering inputs. Okay. That was a good start. It was a good start, but then I fucked it up, and I don't know why. Or how, even. Okay. That was close. Close, but no cigar. Yeah, I'll try this one for a little bit, and then move on to some programming. So I'm better at that than at Trackmania. Yeah, okay, that was not good. So I believe if you get out of the water there quickly, it will be faster. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna slide more there to get a good angle. Okay, let's see if we can get the shortcut. Nope. How does this shortcut work again? Oh, it's almost. Like that. No. I believe it needs, I think it needs less steer. Yeah, okay. It's not ideal path. I'll just do this a couple more times, and that's not the one, then so be it. Okay, never mind. No, I'm done with this. Okay, let me quickly get this out of the way. Okay, so software and game development. Okay. Big brain programming time. So what I am quickly gonna open the code base. Should I do my renderer on my engine? I haven't figured that part out yet, so let's just do my engine. Yeah. There we go. So this is the code base. It's probably going to be too small, but I have what I can do. I can do this. I don't know if this is I'll just do it like this, I guess. So what I have right now is basically just a window that does stuff. That's probably not what we want. I'll do 20 points or whatever. Window specification. What I have in main. Why is this? Oh. Is this good? Okay. So what I have here is like basically just it's like a way to create an application. I can put this to resizable, and then when we run it, I can resize it again, which is probably what we want, like that. So right now I have come to the part where we start doing the renderer. So I'll make this a public subsystem and generate code. Generate a constructor, please. And this zoom level is still not correct. What is going on? Okay, let me quickly restart Rider, because it doesn't seem to be too happy about that. Right, so we'll do like that. So our renderer is now a subsystem. This is just going to be a test renderer. It's not going to be too much to it. So in application we will do mp context add subsystem, and this is going to be renderer. And now this will be one of our several subsystems that will do stuff. So now we have come to the part where we needed to do stuff. So this, we are going to have to set up Vulkan. I am gonna steal a lot of this code from my previous projects. So we're gonna need this here. Gonna yoink, include the directories, lib directory, library, and we don't have any binaries for Vulkan. And then in our, what is it? Our project's pre-make file, we need to do this, and then we need to also link to Vulkan and no, this is filter system Windows. System version latest. System Windows. And we're gonna provide a define also Windows. Might come in useful for later code. This will be called debug. Gonna be also release. So those defines will then be available to use. And meanwhile, we also have this to Vulkan. Also need libdirs to tell it where to no, that's not what I wanted. Windows, go away. To tell it where to look for our libraries. So libdir.vulkan should be it. So now I can I show an explorer, plus a lot, then scripts and setup. That did not work. Filer, that's would be filter. All right, so now I believe let me quickly also open glove.org. There we go. I saved your eyes. You're welcome. So in the HTML documentation about Windows, get a bit larger so you can see too. Also, Power Toys, I love you, but please go away. Also, go away. Docker, I don't need you either. Steam, also not. Okay, so let's say anything about defined, because there's a way to GFW include none. So definitely want to define that, and I am, oops, let's maybe not show Discord on stream, would not be ideal. So I will simply add this to our defines. I believe there was also a I can actually show this. This is, it's private, but it's not really important. There was something with CRT errors. No. It's also not in here. No. Damn. This is some throwback stuff. Okay. Couldn't find anything on that, so I just simply run setup again. Then let me go back to this. We have our window. This includes GLFW up here. I don't want to do this. This definitely needs to be in here somewhere. Delete those brackets. So we can regroup. And then in here we'll just simply do worked GLFW window. And I believe that should be that's a struct. And we'll just simply speed up compile times. Why does the application have a GLFW window? That does not need to be. This is a forward declare, so I want to put that above there. M is running. Yeah, we don't have that anymore. That's complaining because there isn't. Well, complaining is a big word. This is one of the things that I wanted to look at, because this is obviously for the Microsoft compiler. Like if we are using MSVC, then we have access to the debug break thingy. Otherwise, we have to do it with this little bit of code. Also, I believe this can go. Because you also already put a semicolon there. It's not really necessary there. Yeah, I think we can get started with our rendering. So, if we take a look again at our code here. Vulkan is a lot of work. I'll give you that. So take a look at renderer. These are all the classes that we, well, most of these will need. We'll just get started with render context. I don't know if I want to do this still. We'll just do everything in here for now. I definitely need this to only get started after everything is initialized. Problem is, if we run everything in initialize, actually our initialize does both on initialize and on post initialize, because some systems might depend on other systems to be initialized first, which is why I have two initializations here. When you have one shutdown, I imagine this might change in the future as well. We also don't have a logger yet. There's definitely lack some stuff that is going to be necessary in the future, like the logger, but I'm not in the mood to do logging work just yet. So yeah, what I might just get started with is creating the instance and stuff. So I'll do, because I did sort of prepare and make a Vulkan folder here, but for now I just want to get stuff working. So I'll just do it like this. So we'll generate. We'll definitely need initialize, take, and shut down. Thing is, what is it that I need? I'm also still debating whether I should do Vulkan.h or Vulkan.hpp. The difference being that the Vulkan, the C++ headers have some neat features. Problem is that it takes longer to compile. But it is so yeah, it takes longer to compile, but it is more beneficial. If you look at like what is it? Yeah, there's some stuff they can do, but there's this. Come on, I blocked. Whoa! Nobody saw that. That's definitely I'm gonna have to be cut out in the VOD. Whoops. I don't know if I can even do that. Anyways. Nobody saw that. Why did that? That's a weird. I don't know what that was. Can I? There was a way to for declare, like include for declarations. What is Objective C? Why am I getting Objective C? What? I'll just do Vulcan.h. I think. I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, this is the thing. So the Vulcan handles.hpp exists. So Vulcan handles.h apparently still 13,000 lines long. Which yep, is still the case. But on the other hand, including Vulcan.h everywhere, like Vulcan.h. Who are you? What? Do I know you? Thank you for the Prime sub. Do I know you? You've chatted here before. Well, anyways, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I see that you've chatted here before. I just don't remember you. I'm sorry, but the fact that you speak Dutch like automatically makes me assume that I somehow know you from somewhere. I don't know, whatever. Long time ago. Yeah. I see your previous messages were from like 2018. Which is crazy. To play Polyworld. Back in those days, what? Okay, well. Anyways, welcome back. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, thanks for the Prime sub. Wow. Anyways, yeah, I'm building a game engine now. I've upgraded from games to game engines. So yeah, that's that. So I do need to implement these. Boom. On tick, this is gonna be delta time. Delta time and delta time. Oh, this is probably Why stop? Okay, well, there we go. We'll just do this. So, initializing Vulkan. How do we do this again? Oh boy. Where is my code from previous iterations? Here we go. Vulkan device? Did I put it in Vulkan device? All this stuff? Yeah. Okay. What I might do is still create like the Vulkan device. Can I surround this with namespace? Also not. The name is not permanent yet. I'm not sure. So in private we will have a instance MVK device. Include Vulkan handles. Is this what is supposed to be? This is Vulkan HP namespace, which should be defaulted to VK. So yeah, this is a really long file. So it's better than including Vulkan.h. I'm not sure. Does this compile? No. Why are you? I also need to fix inputs because that is apparently not valid anymore. Oh, I didn't type this file. I didn't do this. This is not my code. This is just a library that I'm using. But yeah, this is because this included the thing and then internet, hello? What's the size of my brain? It's like so big. It's biggest I've ever seen. So input should now have this again. But yeah, welcome in. I see that this is your first time chatting. Just do return true there. I'm not sure why this doesn't like that. Why are you like this? People this? Well, it's the thing I've used the most, so thing I'm most comfortable with. I have looked at other stuff, like Rust and stuff. But yeah, Rust is even more goofier than C++ in my opinion. It has some interesting stuff going for it, but it's too goofy for me to do it full time. Also at work I do web development, so I do JavaScript, which is its own can of worms. But anyways, I think I need to... I believe there was one thing that I still needed to do. Vulcan HPP, no exceptions. That's the one. Where is this? It's in here. Yep. That's not a comma. This is a comma. Eventually this will become platform independent. Because in the end I do want to have more than just Vulkan, but I haven't even got a single triangle yet, rendering yet, so I gotta learn to walk before we can run. Trade pattern is way nicer than object-oriented programming. Well, I usually don't really do that much of inheritance and stuff. Well, of course, for some things you need it, but for example, in my subsystem, in C++20 we now have these concepts. So I can have like a concept called an engine system, and this needs to be derived from the subsystem class. And so basically in my context, when I add a subsystem, I say like, okay, I need an engine system, and then I can be sure that this will be correctly, like this won't be some sort of weird typing stuff. And I believe it also helps with like error messages. How did you start, by the way? Because you were interested. Well, I studied game development. I have a bachelor in game development, and during that I kind of discovered like, hey, game engines and game graphics are pretty dope. So, and then I kind of went from there. But I have no idea why this Vulkan handles is not working. Single creation of Vulkan HP namespace. What? This is not useful. Vulkan HPP. What is the thing? Don't want to have to do weird stuff. Just let's this. What? Okay, when in doubt, github.com Vulkan HPP. Alright, documentation time. Handles. Is this? Vulkan HPP declares the customer handles. That's not what I am looking for. All dependencies, yeah, that's not. This is all. So that's literally the only two that I can find. There's nothing about the Vulcan handles in this documentation anywhere. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. It's default VK, so that's what I thought. But like for now, thank you for stopping by and thank you for the Prime sub. I really appreciate it. Have a good time. Default dispatchers, civil enhancement, what is this? You essentially disable all enhanced functionality. Good. So if we do not get enhanced version of the commands, so a array proxy, which is pretty cool, and structured constructors, enhanced set of functions, array proxy, and resource acquisition is initialization. I haven't used that one yet, but exceptions we did that because exceptions are eh. Okay, well, fine, you win. What I am gonna do then is hacky. I'm just gonna do that in the BCH. This is bad, don't do this, but I'm gonna. Why are you still, what? See, so now it's saying like, oh yeah, use the type VK device, include Vulcan handles. Now it works, what? Is it because I never had this included? What? I assume we're gonna need this here, right? What? What? What is this bullshit? What is this? What? Vulcan, go home, you're drunk. Well, anyways, now it works, but hacky. I have no idea why that is. That is weird. Click a little constructor. Like that. Right, so how do we create a Vulcan device? Vulcan device.cpp, where is my example? Here's my example. So first thing we want to do, first we need to create an instance, then we can create our device. Can I do the designation? That's cringe though. I don't like this. basically two ways to do this. I can do this and then do app info dot application version duplicate version. What is this? You can make version. Is it this? 210 app info dot application name and do that. I'll do I believe the set application name. No. How do I do this? There's essentially three ways to do this. You can do it like this, or you could do it like this and just do the constructor things. So application name would then be my app, then we can make version 100, whatever, or you do make it application info auto app info application info dot API version, set API version. Actually, like this. But I don't know about that. I did this quite a bit, but I don't know, it's kind of weird. What I think I'm just gonna do with this is just do it like this, and then engine name is engine. And then the VK API version 1.3, because we're running the latest and greatest. What I did here was I'm just gonna do it like this, and then the application info is just app info, instance info dot. What else do we need? So we could do set enabled extension names, and then we can just pass it a vector. But I'm not gonna do any extensions just now. So then basically what we do is vk create instance with our create instance info, and this I believe returns a vk result. So we will need a Vulkan utils, which I am gonna shamelessly copy from wherever for my test stuff. Nope. Add just Vulkan utils .h Pragmat once namespace ocelot, and then namespace Click on utils, I believe. Yep. And in here I have I'm just gonna yoink this in like this, and I don't think I want this to throw errors. So check results. This was my aftermath debugging stuff. So basically just your results success. Later on we can add more types. Actually, I'm just gonna like this. And so we have our PK check. I definitely don't want to throw errors anymore, because that was some weird thinking of mine. The problem is this is one of the things that I do miss about Rust. I mean, we have the SSD optional, but that's not that great. So this is basically just some Vulkan H interoperability. I do believe... See, this is the thing. Vulkan utils check. That's basically what I want to do. I want to check that this is true, and I guess if this is false, if not, check create instance, and we can do some sort of error handling. Not entirely sure yet how I will do this, but I believe that's about it. Right, so check results. It checks if it's true or false. And so these are basically this is the this is the annoying part, because you want to both check that it's okay, But the issue is that VK create instance. So this either returns a VK result. This top one. Well, the top one also needs a pointer to the thing, so the neat part about this, I don't want to do this in a try catch. It's definitely not. This is annoying. Can do string concatenation with this? Probably not, right? So I'll just do assert false. So that's for result value, but we also need one for just a result, which is going to be these two functions, right? Check result does this. Why are you not happy? Because this needs to do a bool, right? Yeah. Instance and device. Instance is token utils check. Okay, create instance. Right. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what to do with this. Although I guess if yeah, nah, this will be good for now though. So if I go back to my code here, Vulkan and device. So now that we have an instance, we have our instance. Now we can actually start to create our device. So this will be 2 steps. We first need to find a physical device, and then we will need to create a logical device. This is so much setup work. Not in the mood for to do this. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna do some stuff. I'm just gonna go to I'm only going to change plans once again, so you know. Okay, here we are in my other code base. One of many. This one is a bit more advanced. This is like with proper ray tracing and stuff. I can show you what this does. This is basically it. This does some ray tracing stuff. You can see the shadow here. I can, like, if I go to here and change the light to I believe something like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There are some things that I want to do with this. Right now it does not have ray traced ambient occlusion, which is something I want to also add in. But for that we need, in the shaders, we need access to the scene data. So if I go to shaders, this is horrible. Let me quickly okay. Zoom level, I want to put this to 2. Probably too big. 1.5. 1 is good. I know the stream is in like 1080p, but my monitor is 1440p, so you might not be able to see stuff. So yeah, the regeneration of the shadow is just pretty simple. I could actually simplify this a bit more by inside actually when is administrator. Where is, was that release? Yep, that was release. We do hyper release. And loads the assets in. If I love the shot. This is, anyways, if I take a look at the frame capture, we can see here is, first of all, there's the geometry pass, which is not optimized yet. Then there's a quick RT pass, only takes, so geometry pass actually takes 7 milliseconds. It's quite a lot. It has a lot of geometry to do. But yeah, first of all we do the geometry pass, which is just rasterized. Then we do ray tracing pass, and then we basically composite everything in. Yeah, it's just a single pass Fragment shader. I can show you. Our composite is just, it just blends two geometry output and ray trace outputs together. Technically what I could do is do the ray tracing pass before the geometry pass, so that way we actually have info on where the shadows are. Because if I want to build in PBR, physically based rendering, I am gonna need info about whether a pixel is in the light or shadow. So that might be useful sometime in the future. But I think for now I'm just gonna do it like this. So I did have a by the almighty Sasha Willems. He is a Vulkan expert and made all the Vulkan samples basically. If I go to examples, actually this is probably better off if I Vulkan examples, I believe. Opening this in Visual Studio so I don't confuse myself. It'll just take a while longer to load though. So in the closest hit it has, so basically it has a buffer with the vertices and the indices. Okay, internet did a poo-poo again. Internet is being weird today. Might not survive for too much longer. So yeah, in here we have basically a buffer for the vertices and a buffer for the indices. And with that we can determine the vertex data when we need them in the ray tracing. So I need to somehow figure out where that gets set. This is acceleration structure. The shaded binding tables might be is this what we need? Is this shaded binding table abstraction? I think that's just like a simple buffer abstraction, because this doesn't seem to do that much. Draw UI also not necessary, so create shader binding table does not seem to do too much interesting. Prepare might be I don't know. Create storage image, delete acceleration structure. Acceleration structure stuff. Acceleration structure. Extensions. Oh, don't need that. These are the. This is the render pass. This might be. Wait, I'm looking in the wrong file. Damn it. Great. Shader binding table is probably not what we need. So this is what we need. So we need 2 storage buffers, basically. So we basically need a big buffer with all our vertices and all our indices. How are we gonna do that? This might prove. So I believe we just need to do that. I don't believe we need to do more stuff in our pipeline. Create uniform buffer is not needed. Build command buffers. The uniform buffer, get enable features, not needed. So yeah, I believe. Yeah, so what this is doing is just doing the command buffers, scoring it once, and that's it. Oh, and it renders to storage image and then just basically copies it to the back buffer. Okay, yeah. Basic stuff. So basically we need to create 2 storage buffers that we then need. The issue with this is we have our meshes as a separate thing. Open ray tracer. Let me close some stuff that I don't need. So our Vulkan ray tracer, we background create shader binding table, the descriptors. Why do we build our acceleration structure? Oh, that's a separate thing. Okay. Right, so we need to basically combine all meshes into one. To combine all geometries into one geometry, basically. Let me. Alright. My headset should be properly charged, so let me do a quick little one of these. All right. So we basically need one big buffer to let me try to figure this out. Problem is that we need a big buffer with all of our scene data, if I'm not mistaken. Alright. How am I gonna do that? Because in here, the thing is, it only has one model, basically, with all the vertices and indices, but we don't have that luxury. So okay, let's see. So in here, when we build the acceleration structure, all right. So basically, if you take a look what I did, doesn't quite matter what the lighting settings are. If I go take a look at all resources and last test, what is this? Not sure if we all need all of this. Next buffers, vertex buffers. Create TILAs. What is the name of EU? The object name, top level acceleration structure. So I can search for this. All right. So this is our scene. Up is Z. Coordinates are right-handed. No, definitely right-handed. Should be the same as Blender. So if I take the cube and set my cursor, so yeah, this is the direction that we're looking at. So X to the right, Y forwards, and Z upwards. But the thing that I did is basically, this is our scene. And everything you see here is a separate bottom level acceleration structure. And basically these are all grouped together under this one top level acceleration structure. Because I was too lazy to group them together. Because what you can do is basically group them together in one bottom level acceleration structure. But the problem is that you don't need to do some vertex manipulation stuff, which might prove difficult, but I'm gonna need to do that anyways. And that is not what I wanted to do. Whoops. So I think I'm gonna do each mesh as one bottom level. So yeah, because at the moment what you might see is we have our interior here, and each of these are basically small meshes. What is easily recognizable? I saw something with a trolley. Doormats. So its current position is 0, 0, 0. So if I might do this, like, if I move this around, you can see that it moves around as well. Well, this is only inside of the rasterized part, not the ray trace part. But this essentially needs to become one. So basically this is a recursive call. So we have our root nodes. This is a difficult thing because these scenes come as separate separate node structures itself. God damn it. Okay, the stream so far is super productive. That was irony. I think what we could do here instead is for each node in our root nodes, we can basically So each of our root nodes could be a separate bottom level acceleration structure, but we want to no, even then, this won't do what we need it to. This is... This is annoying. So scene load from file, what do you do? It loads a model. Oh, there's an ad about to start. Family. Just saw this on Twitch dashboards. Okay. Cool. So our model, so this loads that. Where does it loads the? So it goes through all the nodes. It loads a node. So node with children does a recursive call. Yep. What I'm thinking... What am I thinking? I don't know. So if it has a mesh, it will... So where does it... How does it do its vertices? Scene load from file. Do class scene. No. Oh wait, no, it's class model. Model. So this model has vertices and indices. Yeah. Count and buffer. Okay, so it will create the indices buffer. And these are device local buffers, and copy from the staging. So these are the staging buffers, and basically where is this? Okay, so load nodes basically just appends to the vertex buffer and index buffer. Hey James, thanks for the bit. This is code indeed. Yep. I'm trying to figure some stuff out. I can actually show you what I have right now. VIP, finally some recognition in the Twitch stream. I saw a bar when I was like, oh yeah, so this is the bar. I mean, I didn't make the model myself, but I did do all the code that renders the pixels to the screen. And this is like with ray tracing and stuff. These shadows are purely ray traced, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Yeah. This can go. Okay, so I need full gerb. What is this? Oh, that's from Moonlight. Hey, that's pretty cool. So we'll do stuff with this vertex buffer. Okay. Oh, I can explain if you want. I think the question is, do I want an explanation? I think that's the proper question to ask right here. You know what? Sure. Explain it. Meanwhile, I'll try to figure stuff out. So how does this thing work again? We have our nodes, which holds nodes. That holds a mesh, and a mesh has vertices and indices. A gerbil contains roughly the same amount of blood needed for an erection, so full gerb. Okay. That is nice to know. Is it gerb? Is that gerbil? Well, I'm gonna Google this. I don't know. So gerbil is like a rodent. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I figured it out now. Actually, I think this might not be too difficult to figure out. Just the issue is that we need a lot of data to hold. Vector on V32's indices. That is not correctly spelled. Nope. Vertices. Vertex, vertices, and then indices, vertices, pushy. Yeah, I don't know. No discard, SD, vector, vertex, Bosnian text. I'm gonna just turn that as a const reference. Get vertices, turn vertices. Hello mouse, can you work again? Thank you. Get indices, turn indices. Right? And then somehow in here mesh data. Yeah, why not? Let me. Oh, can you? What the hell are you doing? Can you not do that? Can Windows, I would love it if you would not dox me. That would be alarms only, please. I do not want my notifications, my email notifications to show up on stream. That So I guess we'll do group mesh data. So for each quickly do this in here. So for const each node in our root nodes, we basically no, that's not. Do we? So basically, meshes. Each mesh in the meshes. We basically so we'll basically all copy this into these temporary buffers. What does they do again? So vertex start is going to be vertices. Vertices size and U32 indexes. I thought I heard a noise, but I think it's just my cat. Whatever. We have our vertex start and our index start, and then mesh dot get vertices. Let me do this. So I believe this is mainly an issue for the this is index start. Okay, so index start is still less important. I think what we just need to do is what I basically need to do is vertices.insert vertices.end and then mesh get vertices.begin and mesh get vertices.end, and so this will add the vertices of the mesh to our local buffer, and then actually like that, and then we basically need to add all the indices, but add the vertex start, and that way it will be the correct data. And I believe there was some fancy thing to do this. Now let me quickly, I remember using this somewhere else, so let me quickly try to find that. I believe it was in the inventive codes. It's the ranges views transform. So that would be mesh get indices sd ranges views transform. SD ranges view transform. And this would be a this would be an index, and then we basically need to return index vertex start plus index. We need to capture that like so. Does this work? I'm not sure. Of course, this is only for one node. So, so our function, which will take in a node, process node, node pointer p node, and then basically for each mesh we'll do that, and then it will also do it for its children. So process nodes, and then here for each node we can process nodes forget. And I believe what we should end up with so for example, if we call this here, might not do what we want because it will be in release mode, I don't know. So we have what is this? 1.7 million vertices, which will require with what else? Take a look at Bistro. This has 3 million vertices. This could be correct. And well, it has 3 million indices. So if you take a look at the indices, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 7. Big indices at like 1 million. Why do you not like me? Oh boy. A broke rider. That is I need to take a screenshot of that. Let me quickly. Okay, we're back. But yeah, this could be correct. There isn't really a way to properly test this. I'm throwing stuff on the ground. 1 second. Okay. Give me something else, please. Thank you. What is this music? Yeah. But yeah, I believe if I like now our indices is like this. If I load more, it tries to show them the indices and like 3,000,000. How does this work again? Oh, whatever. Anyways, this vertex data does seem correct. Let me quickly. Okay. Sorry. So this should be correct. This is just taking a lot more data, which I'm not too happy about. Fuck. Why? Oh boy, help. Why are you...
Time flies, I'm still wondering, how could you leave without goodbye? We said what
Okay, fuck it. This is for another day. I'm too tired for this. I'm sorry. I started to go somewhere, but my brain cannot comprehend. This is too much. This is getting too much for me today. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna start to wrap things up. Let me take a look. Wage.tv. Is there anyone interesting alive right now? Not really. I don't know people anymore. Well, anyways, still thank you for tuning in to the stream. Thank you, James, for stopping by and for the bit. Yeah. Thank you for showing up to this small stream, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye. Oh, that's poor timing. Hi, new freak. Thanks for stopping by. I'm just ending the stream right now. Sorry, that was unfortunate timing.